This is JP with the Gatemaster. We just installed two LA-400s. I want to show you guys how to release this. So this is the key. If it's in the lock position, you're going to go ahead and turn it and swivel around this top release around 80 degrees. Now the gate is in free mode. I will demonstrate. We could open it. You guys could go ahead and pull your vehicle out if there's a power outage longer than a few days. When power comes back on, you could either leave it closed or open. You re-engage this here, turn the key to lock it, and that's basically it. If you have any questions or concerns, go ahead and contact us on any of our social media. Thank you.